Alabama lawmakers could put a stop to vaping in public places. House Bill 10 seeks to ban e-cigarettes and vapes from public places, similar to restrictions on cigarette smoking. Wave 31 reporter Julia Miller joins me live in studio now with more from the woman helping to push this bill forward. Julia, this is a problem here. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says more teens are vaping in Alabama, and that's a serious health danger for them.
Nicole, absolutely. This proposal would add electronic cigarettes to the list of items banned under the state's 21-year-old Clean Air Act. Alabama was the last state to adopt a statewide law in 2003. However, Alabama could be in the minority if lawmakers move forward with this legislation.
In Alabama right now, you can generally vape anywhere in public unless a local city has a rule saying you can't. Alabama Representative Barbara Drummond from Mobile tells me she's ready to change that.
We need to start educating people very early in life of the detriment. We don't know what chemicals are inside of these products.
She says State Senator Gerald Allen, who wrote the bill, knew her passion for this topic and invited her to carry the bill in the House.
We shouldn't be doing something to make a profit that is going to hurt us in the future. And this is certainly one of those.
Adding that it's a public health risk for those who don't choose to smoke or be around it.
We've got to look at this very broadly and look at those who don't have a voice and who is not making a choice to use these products.
Drummond, who previously passed a vape bill back in 2019, which regulates the sales of vaping products and prohibits sales to anyone under 19, says now that bill will help create funding to enforce this one.
That particular bill will create about $2.5 million, and it will help us to be able to enforce all of the laws that we now have on the books.
Drummond tells me she's worried about the young age kids who have access to vapes and e-cigarettes nowadays. She says as a lawmaker, she feels like it's her duty to protect the public health. I should note that nearly 20% of teenagers admitted to vaping in a Drug Watch study last year. Reporting live in studio with coverage you can count on, Julia Miller, Wave 31 News.